Alright guys, so I got it all wired up, you know, so I'll show you how I did it. Right now I got this glued here to the back of this plastic frame here with a JB Weld epoxy, and clamped it down. It's well overdue, but I'm gonna leave it there overnight to ensure. Okay, so anyways, as far as like the wiring goes, the main wiring, you got your two power wires right here, and below that is a ground. Your ground also goes onto the back side of this button switch here for your starter. So you got a jumper wire that goes here, another jumper wire that goes here, and then once you flick this on and cut the power on, you press this button, it transfers power to the red wire down there on this other side of this switch. And that's your starter. And then I have the radio and the gauges. So then what I did is I took the ends of those wires and ran them all the way through the side here. Came here and you put the two power wires. Well, I also have a fusible link in between the power wires. So two power wires come outside from the fusible link. They go to the red wiring on the black and the red wiring on that there. Now, the brown wire is the radio, and the gauges or something. I don't know what else it is, but the pink wire is to light up the gauges. So yeah, that's how that works. That's the wiring. So, you know, cuts on, everything cuts on, and you hit the starter button. Put it back on, start it again. There we go. That's how it's wired. Okay guys, so we're doing some troubleshooting on this start button here. It was working at first pretty good, now it stopped working and I'm having to jump my starter by touching the solenoid terminal and the power terminal on the starter solenoid. So I was told to check the voltages and that possibly that the button switch could be bad. So we're going to check the voltages real quick. Okay, so right there is your main source of 12 volt power. When you flip the switch on, it comes up here to this top. Then that is jumped from there to here to the starter button. When you press the starter button, there's a white wire down here. You can't see it because it's connected at the bottom here, right there, where this the multimeter needle is. So, with that with that said, we're gonna go ahead and check this point here. We're gonna check the top point here. We're gonna check the top of the starter button, and then we're gonna press the button, and then we're going to test right here where this lead is. All right, so let's do it. Okay, so clearly we get power at the bottom, which transfers power to the top. Okay, so this top button here, we'll go ahead and check the voltages on that real quick. Put it in that hole. You got 1196 at that. So remember that this jumps all the way to this wire here. So this is 1190. Now, when you press the button, you're going to get this here. Let's see. That's what we have there from pushing the button. Got a drop.